in this video I'm gonna share with you 4 best way to promote ClickFunnels for free, and it is absolutely free. So if you are looking to promote ClickFunnels for free as an affiliate but don't know the proven method to promote ClickFunnels, this video is for you. So ClickFunnels is not a regular page builder. It is a perfect solution for online sales system. It can do all the things such as create websites, build membership sites, landing page design, and build sales funnel, email automation, tracking, spill testing, and many other things. I have found many ClickFunnels affiliate marketer keep asking how to promote ClickFunnels as an affiliate. So, so if you are in a Facebook group of a ClickFunnels Avenger group, you may be found many people actively seeking how to promote ClickFunnels for free as an affiliate. So that's why I created this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So how to promote ClickFunnels for free? So when you sign up for ClickFunnels affiliate program, Russell Brunson will encourage you to join affiliate bootcamp, where top ClickFunnels affiliate tell you how they promote ClickFunnels product. So it is absolutely gold mine, and the main thing, it is free. So anyway, here are some method you can promote ClickFunnels. So number one is promote ClickFunnels with a blog. So start a blog is very easy. So you can start blog with Bluehost under 30 minutes. So you just need buy hosting, and with Bluehost you get free domain name. So after buying this all the things, you just need to install WordPress, and Bluehost created a simple way to install WordPress on their dashboard. With some click you can get beautiful blog, and you just need to some customize. So you need to just install a theme. I recommend you to with Astra. So it is a very good theme. It's very lightweight, customizable, and good looking. So if you want, our team can set up your blog website. You can contact me. So our team can set up your website. So now the question is how to promote ClickFunnels with a blog. So when it comes to blog, our my main strategy is ranking ClickFunnels related keyword. So ClickFunnels related keyword is not saturated yet. There are a lot of keywords that very low competitive. So that means you just need to publish content that rank. So at first we target a low competitive keyword that is rankable, because when you just starting out you won't go after keyword like ClickFunnels review. So it is very much competitive now. With the low competitive keyword, you just need to create some quality content uh, that obviously rankable, and you don't need to create backlink or any other SEO stuff, SEO stuff. So after creating your first blog, after giving some content, your website built authority. So if you want, you do also some SEO stuff and create backlink also. So if you don't know about SEO, you can start a one blog. That is the very good blog, and I recommend this blog name is Backlinko. So it is a very good blog. Read and implement a SEO knowledge in your blog. And the important thing, it is very important to realize, if you target low competitive keywords at first, you don't need to build any links, and your content will rank naturally. So it has a search volume like mm, 20 or 25 like this, so you can choose like this keyword and you rank naturally without backlink, without any SEO stuff. So I have collected 500 ClickFunnels keywords for you. I know you need this, so I share with you in description. You just don't collect them and download them. So it is number one. Number one is um, blogging. So number two, promote ClickFunnels with YouTube channel. So starting YouTube channel is one of the easiest way to promote ClickFunnels affiliate. The problem is many introverted people like me don't like showing their face. So so there are a lot of ways you can create videos without face. So you can create screen capture video. So what do you need to create a screen capture video? So there are need three things: a screen capture software, a good microphone, and your voice. You can use Chrome extension for screen capture. So I sometimes use Bloom, so it is very good screen capture for free. And you can use a microphone that good, and your voice also. So there are a lot of type of video you can create YouTube. So the first type video that very profitable is review videos. So there are a lot of products in ClickFunnels expert secrets book, .com secrets book, and one funnel away course. So and many tours and books there, so you can review them. mm, you, with honesty, so brutal honesty. You can use the ClickFunnels for 14 days for free trial. It is enough to learn all the things about ClickFunnels. Another type of video, you can create tutorial video. So you can create all the tutorial video about ClickFunnels, like how to create sales funnel with ClickFunnels, like this video. So this kind of video people watch and learn things, and you can put your put your affiliate link in description of people click and buy software. So it is a profitable video. So another type of another type of video you can create is the targeted keyword video. So you can video with a target keyword. So I share some keyword in description, so you can grab it and with this keyword for your video. So it is targeted, so everyone search this. So that's it. That's how you can promote ClickFunnels with the YouTube. So you can also promote ClickFunnels and ClickFunnels with Facebook. So it is number three, promote ClickFunnels with Facebook. Facebook is my favorite when it comes to promoting ClickFunnels. In Facebook, you need to promote strategically with the Facebook free funnel. So we with the Facebook personal profile as a lead generation page. So here we invite people to join our group. So in our cover photo, we just invite people to join our group. So we create a call to action image in our Facebook cover. So mm, so we also create a Facebook group. So in our group we educate people to um, educate people. That's why we build trust and and um, and sell without selling. So the traffic method for Facebook with other people group where we join and helping people genuinely. So other people group we pushed very good content, commenting other people post that genuinely help them. So when you do this with other people, when you do this, people naturally want to check our uh, personal profile, where we uh, give them where we invite people to join our group. So this way we could also collect their email address. When people want to join your group, you can ask them to enter their email address. You can use group convert. It is a Chrome extension um, to automatically add email to your autoresponder. So Spencer Mecham who earned above 2 million which is this technique. You can watch his profile and model this kind of things. So this is the Facebook method. So our fourth and final method is promoting ClickFunnels using Quora. So it is like Facebook, you can promote ClickFunnels from Quora with free funnel. So as like Facebook with Quora profile as a lead generation machine. So when people come to our Quora profile, we force them to join our email list. We answer question related ClickFunnels to attract people to join our profile. When making sense, we promote ClickFunnels product in our answer. To succeed in Quora, you need to provide very quality answer. Quora rank answer first result that gets most upvote. So if people like your answer, they upvote on your answer. So that is the way you can rank above in Quora. So when you rank above in Quora, people naturally like Facebook check your profile and then see your free things, free stuff. So when they click free stuff, they join your autorespond or chatbot, anything you set up. So when you this kind of things, you can do all the things you want. You can join you can join them your Facebook group. You can uh, do anything you want. So it is the first thing you need to do is mm, join them to your email list. Then you can do all the things like all the things. So that's it. So this free way you can promote ClickFunnels, and it is very easy. And you can, if you implement this method, I hope you get your sales. So that's it. So I hope this video help you some way. So I think you get some idea. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you don't like my video, don't subscribe my channel. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks.